In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from a shared Google Calendar. Whether you're looking to declutter your schedule or simply no longer need access to a particular calendar, this process is designed to be straightforward and quick. We'll guide you step by step to make sure you can manage your calendar with ease and precision. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar in your preferred browser. To do this, navigate to calendar.google.com. Once the page has loaded, you'll find yourself on the main calendar interface. Here you can see your personal schedules along with any shared or subscribed calendars. Now your focus needs to shift to the left sidebar on your screen. Within this sidebar, you will notice a section labeled Other Calendars. This is where all the shared calendars that you have subscribed to but do not own are listed. Take a moment to peruse this section and locate the specific calendar you'd like to remove. If you have a large number of calendars, you might need to scroll a bit to pinpoint the correct one. Once you've found the calendar you wish to unsubscribe from, move your mouse over the calendar's name. This action will trigger the appearance of a vertical three-dot icon, which serves as the options menu. When you see this icon, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu with several options will then appear. From this list, you'll want to select Settings. By choosing this, you'll be taken directly to the settings page for the calendar in question. In the settings page, you will encounter a variety of configuration options. However, for the purpose of unsubscribing, scroll down until you reach a section that reads Remove Calendar. Underneath this section, you'll find an option labeled Unsubscribe. By clicking on this, you're essentially instructing Google to remove the calendar from your view. At this point, Google may ask you to confirm your decision, acting as an additional step to prevent accidental removal. Once you confirm, the calendar will disappear from your main view, indicating a successful unsubscription. And there you have it. You've efficiently unsubscribed from a shared Google Calendar. Should you need to remove any other calendars, you can simply repeat this process for each one. Keeping your calendar organized and streamlined has never been this effortless. Thank you for tuning in, and happy scheduling.